So today we will learn the actual merge sort algorithm where an array will be given and we would have to sort it in ascending order. Merge sort algorithm follows divide and conquer method. Basically, at first we will have the main problem divided into many smaller sub individual problems and then sort and combine them. Let's just look at the solution to understand it easily. We are given an array A of size 7, so our index will start from 0 to 6. Let's divide the array into smaller arrays until an array contains only one element, and it is the division part. To do that, we need to first find out the mid index or middle index. So the mid is going to be an integer type, so int mid equals to start index plus end index divided by 2. We will use this formula again and again to find the mid of all arrays. So let's take our main array. We will first divide this array into two smaller subarrays. So the mid of this array is going to be mid equals to 0 plus 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So our first array will be from index 0 to 3. And our second array will be from index 4 to 6. Now let's again find out the mid. Mid equals to 0 plus 3 divided by 2, it's 1. It is not 1.5 since it is an integer type variable. So we will get two arrays from it from index 0 to 1 and another one is from index 2 to 3. For the second subproblem, the mid will be 4 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So our first array will start from 4 to 5. And the second array will have only one element. The start and index is same, 6 to 6, so 28. We already found one element based array. We must keep going until every array is one element based array. So let's again find out the mid. Mid equals to 0 plus 1 divided by 2 equals to 0. So 40, 0 to 0, 20, 1 to 1. Mid equals to 2 plus 3 divided by 2, which should be 2, 25, 2 to 2, 22, 3 to 3. For this one, mid equals to 4 plus 5 divided by 2, which would be 4. So 4 to 4, 35, and 5 to 5, 32. So now we got all individual subproblems, meaning all the arrays now have only one element. So our division part is done, and now we'll use the combination function from the previous video, where we saw how to merge two arrays in ascending order. Since I have explained how it works, so I will just show the combination directly. So let's just first combine these two arrays in ascending order, of course. So 20, among 20 and 40, 20 is smaller. So 20 will be in the first index. So 20, 40. And for these two arrays, 22 is smaller. So 22 will be in the first position. 22, 25. Again, let's combine these two arrays. 32, 35. And this one will remain single. 28. Again, let's do the combination among these two arrays. We will use the merge function from the previous video. So I will just write down the sorted array. 20, 22, 25, 40. We'll sort these two arrays and merge them. 28, 32, 35. Again, we'll merge these two arrays. 20, 22, 25, 28, 32, 35, now 40. As you can see, the final array is sorted in ascending order. So in short, at first we would have to divide the array into smaller individual subarrays, then sort and combine the arrays, and that is how the merge sort algorithm works.